How to change font in Squarespace easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change font of your Squarespace website. So let's get into it. First of all, what you can do is you can open up squarespace.com and then you're gonna log into your account. It will take you to account.squarespace.com. You have to select the website for which you want to change the font for or the website you want to edit. I will select this one and it will take me right here. There are two ways we can change the font of our Squarespace website. So the first way is by going to the design right here, and then you're going to click on the site style. Then in site styles, you have to click on fonts, and it'll show you the font of your website, and it'll show you the different global text styles that your website has, such as your headings, paragraphs, buttons, and other styles. So you can change your font. This is the font that we have. You can click on switch and you can select from different packs available for a font. So it includes your headings, your paragraphs, everything. So you will select a pack from here and it will be added to your website. This is how we change font on Squarespace. You can see it's really easy. You just have to select the one you want to go for. So I have currently selected this one. So this is how you will change the font of your website overall. Let's say you're actually just doing something on your website, you're editing your website, and you want to change the font of a text that you just wrote. You do not want to change it overall. So for that, you can go to your website here, and you will select the text you want to change the font for. For example, I have this text here. So you're going to select the text. Let's go with this one. You select the text, click on edit, and you can change your text font. You can see here we have our font, and what you can do is you can change it from here too. You can make it bold, italic, or change your alignment. So this is how we do our text settings using Squarespace. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.